Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, and today my topic is about the initiatives and programs regarding quality assurance in hospitals. And one of the program or initiative by government is another initiative is Mera Aspatal scheme. In Mera Aspatal scheme, there is a data items in patient file is ID, patient name, patient age, patient gender, patient mobile number, and a landline number, patient type ID or department ID, which patient is admitted. It is the hospital performa like patient ID, name, mobile, department, patient type ID, gender, age, and this is the card as NAQS program Muskan, in which there is a Kayakalp team, that is overview of Kayakalp and Swachh Bharat Abhiyan program. In Kayakalp, we will discuss about the context of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched by Prime Minister on 2nd October 2014 to cleanliness in the public spaces, and Kayakalp is the Clean Hospital Award for Public Health Facility launched by Union Health Minister on 15th May 2015. In the Swachh Hospital, there is a chain of benefits. There is improved cleanliness, improved aesthetics, there is reduced infection, the reduced infection, less hospital stay and less morbidity, and improved aesthetics, there is enhanced patient satisfaction, speedy recovery and health behavior in the quality. It is the overall view of quality of care. While in objective of Kayakalp, there is a promote the cleanliness, hygiene and infection control practices, and to incentive and recognize public healthcare facilities and cleanliness and infection control, and to culture of ongoing assessment and peer review of performance to create and share sustainable practices related to improve cleanliness. And the key features of the award scheme is the assessment on the predefined objective criteria, that is cash award for 2 district hospitals and 2 sub-district hospitals and CSC and state, and 1 award in each category for small states, and cash award for 1 PSC in each district, and certificate of commendation and cash award for facilities achieving more than 70% score, and felicitation of best hospital at national level. So this is the cash award like category like large states में type of hospital district hospital highest 50 lakh and runner-up is 20 lakh, while in district or CSC highest 15 lakh and runner-up is 10 lakh, while in PSC there is a one in each district is 2 lakh, and small states there is district hospital highest rupees 50 lakh and CSC highest is 15 lakh and highest PSC one in each district 2 lakh. Then commendation cash was 70% of our state district also more than 70% score is rupees 3 lakh, and this CSC there is a 1 lakh amount will be given to the Kayakalp team. Best award by hospital by the Kayakalp team. So these are the cash awards in Kayakalp team. Thank you.